Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Just Beauty with Julie. Today is day 5 of our summer foundation find series. I started this series because of my allergies and not being able to wear eye makeup. So I figured I would try on about 7 different foundations and see how they work in hot, humid weather. So this is day 5 and I am going to be using the Dior Backstage Foundation. It's a face and body foundation, as well as the Dior Backstage Concealer. And I'm going to be trying out this Milk Hydrogrip Primer, as well as this Mattifying Primer by Milani. If this is something that you're interested in seeing, please stay tuned for the video. And it's okay if you want to subscribe. You can do it now. If you do subscribe, please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, let's get started with the video. Alright, I already put on my moisturizer, which was the Clinique 72-hour moisturizer, as well as this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide drops. I love the glow that it gives to the face. I put that on already, so I'm gonna use this Milk Hydrogrip Primer. I think I may have tried it once since I purchased it. I hear a lot of good things about it, so we're gonna see. This Milk Hydrogrip Primer, it retails for $36. It's 94% natural, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, paraben free, silicone free, fragrance free, and oil free. It is also gluten free. It says it grips makeup and it makes makeup stay all day. I know it's kind of, even though it's a gel, I put it on the back of my hand and it's running. It says use 1 or 2 pumps on the back of your hand. Blend a thin layer on the clean skin before makeup application. Let it set for a minute to absorb and grip the skin for all day hold. Okay, it says layer over foundation or other makeup for a smooth application that lasts all day. It says you can wear it alone for a glassy, hydrated, fresh face. We're not gonna wear it alone today. We're gonna put it over some makeup, but let's see. It feels nice. And I'm not gonna say it has a cooling feel, but it feels cool. I guess it's the wetness, but it feels good on the skin. It doesn't have a smell. Okay, so it says give it a minute to dry down and grip the skin. So it comes in 3 different sizes: a mini, a full, and a jumbo size. This is the full size, which is $36. They actually have a setting spray that I want to try. I keep forgetting every time I go in the store. Oh, it's definitely tacky. It feels like kind of like glue a little bit. I guess that's a good thing. Now this Dior Backstage Foundation, I have it in 2 colors. This and 6N. This is 7N. And the 7N, I hope is my color, because the 6N was too light. But I love the way it wore on the skin. And this is the concealer in the color 5N. Hopefully it's gonna work. Now that primer didn't say anything about pores. So I'm going to put a little bit of this Pores No More primer in my areas where I have enlarged pores. And I have not been setting my primers with powder because I want to see how it holds up on its own. Because if it does well on its own, then I know that once you set it with the powder, it's going to be great. It's going to work wonderful. Okay. I'm going to let this primer sit for a minute before I start applying the foundation. I could tell you this, it was on the back of my hand and it's definitely sticky on the back of my hand. So that's a good sign for a primer. That means it's going to keep the makeup on. So that's wonderful. Okay, I'm going to give it a few minutes and then I'm going to come back. I want to let it sit on the face for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, let's get started with this foundation. It is $12.59. I know I always get a late start, but it is $12.59. So let's do this. I'm gonna give this a shake. Okay, this already looks red, very red. I wonder if I should mix this with the other one that I have. Let's see how it looks on its own. It kind of blends in good though. I mean, I know I have red undertones. I have golden undertones. That's why I usually like to wear a neutral foundation, but to me, neutral should not mean red. Look how easily that went on. Now it says this is a medium buildable coverage. So I'm gonna build it up on my neck because I gotta cover these areas down here. But it feels like nothing on your face, like so light. I love it. So this foundation says that it is all day wear, sweat resistant, transfer proof, and workout proof. Did I tell you that this foundation comes in 40 shades and retails for $40? It's a face and body foundation. It says this Dior face and body foundation is a makeup artist's secret weapon to create an instantly flawless complexion with ultra buildable coverage, from a natural nude glow to high coverage perfection. I could see that because it's definitely a natural glow. The skin looks wonderful. Okay. It says says it's been tested in extreme conditions. It says the face and body foundation used in combination with the powder adds even greater touch of sophistication and enables the makeup to wear flawlessly all day long. Okay, it says that it has a natural finish, medium buildable coverage, it's waterproof and sweat resistant. It's free of sulfate, SLS, SLES, parabens. It's supposed to be vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and it comes in recyclable packaging, which is wonderful. You can use it to camouflage different parts of your body. This is the Backstage Flash Perfector Concealer. This concealer gives a high coverage. It has caffeine in it to reduce puffiness under your eyes. And basically it's supposed to be the same sweat-proof, resistant formula as the foundation. It's a nice liquidy formula. Both of them are very, very liquidy. It has a very, very faint smell. And I like this applicator. It's like a paintbrush. So far I like the color. It's a little warm, but I still like it. I'm gonna buff this in with this Morphe E8 brush. It feels like it's drying kind of fast, but I guess because it's a real thin formula, sort of like a watery texture. But it blends out really nice. The color is very golden. The coverage is nice. I don't like to go that far out on the side. I'm gonna blend around it just to kind of fade it in so it can blend in. I feel like I need a little bit more concealer under this eye. You see the difference how this one is a little bit. Yeah, I'll let it sit for a minute. Now, it didn't really cover up all of my hyperpigmentation. Let me go back in with this and see. Because it says you can build it up if I pat it in. Come on. Like, you can definitely see. I still see it, but it did say it's a medium buildable coverage. I'm not gonna do all of that under my neck because if you're not looking close, you're not gonna see it. So it's not a full coverage, so it did not fully cover it. But I'm okay with that. First, I'm gonna set it with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter Powder. It's like a little tacky, like the foundation didn't completely dry down. You definitely have to set it. I thought it would like be one of those kind of self-setting, but it didn't dry down completely. It still feels tacky. It did say set it with the powder to get all day wear. Now, I do have the Dior Backstage powder, and this is in the color 6N Neutral. This is one of my favorite powders. I just love the way it makes the skin look when you put it on there. So I'm gonna use that to set all over the face. It looks so pretty. I still like to set my face. Again, you know, I usually 2 powders because I have super oily skin and I want to give this foundation a chance. This is the Huda Beauty Baking Powder, and I had the nerve to order some more colors. They had a sale. I'm telling you, I never knew makeup went on sale when I was younger. I think it was different back then because the internet wasn't around when I was in my teens. Not like it is now, let me say that. I don't know. It's so hard to get this powder out. I want to take that sifter off. I keep telling myself I'm not buying no more makeup until I use everything that I have here at least once, but every week they come out with something new and you can't help it. Like you be like, oh, I gotta get this, especially when it's on sale. Like I just was looking on the internet and they have a new milk primer. It's like a charcoal kind of primer. It's a mattifying one for oily skin. I just saw it. I can't wait. I can't wait to get it. I'm telling you, products come out so fast and something new comes out every day. I want to try it. Like especially when it's like oily skin. Like I want to try it. Alright, I am gonna go back in because I don't think I have enough powder on this to brush this off. Let's see. I'm gonna do a little bit of this Dior Backstage powder. Now, I'm gonna spray. Okay, I'm gonna use this Nimya setting spray called Set It and Forget It. I don't know, I like the smell. I like the way it sprays out, and I love this little fan. I don't know, I smell like cocoa butter or something in it. Like it smells really good. It smells like cocoa butter or something. It's got a really nice smell, the setting spray. Okay. So far, the skin looks really good. I'm not doing a bunch of makeup. I'm still dealing with the allergy situation. So I'm gonna do a little bit of something just to give a little bit of life to the face. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do lashes. I might just test out this MAC Stack Mascara that's supposed to be so great and supposed to do big things for your eyes. I think I'm gonna do that today. So we're gonna see. So, I don't know, my face is still not dry. I'm gonna use this Morphe E53 to bronze my face. And this is the Morphe Deep Dark Bronzer. I'm mixing both colors because this foundation definitely oxidized. I don't know what happened up at my forehead. I don't know if it was the way I put the powder on. This is my favorite pencil, Chocolate Mousse by Morphe. I'm gonna take this off. I don't know, it's something about this powder that I'm not loving. I don't know what it is. Let me get a little bit of highlight. Let me try this bronze from Natasha Denona. This right here. It's dark, but we're gonna see. Oh. It's so pretty. And this is the Natasha Denona All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer in powder. Okay. And so far, that is beautiful. I love this. This is the Natasha Denona Glow. This is dark number 3. That is very pretty. Okay, let me try this mascara and see what it does for my eyes. I better spray my face first and then do the mascara. Oh, it needs to be charged. That looks very glowy. Let me try this mascara. I have very short lashes. You're supposed to be able to build this. I'm trying not to let my eye tear because I feel it. Okay, the skin looks very glowy. This is the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. This is like a dark makeup day. I like it though. Should I put a bottom lash on? Like a bottom mascara? Okay guys, I'm back with the finished look for today. I am gonna go over what I use and give you my thoughts on how we are looking today. Okay, so I started off with this Milk Hydrogrip primer. I used this Dior Backstage Foundation in the color 7N. I used the Dior Backstage Flash Perfector Concealer in the color 5N. I put a little bit of this mattifying primer around my pores and stuff. Then I used this Juvia's Place bronzer as well as this Natasha Denona. This Natasha Denona Glow. It's not coming off. Natasha Denona Glow bronzer. It's like a highlighter. I think it looks beautiful on the skin. Look at that. That is so pretty. It looks so nice on the skin. It's giving me like a dark bronzy glow and I really like it. I think it looks beautiful. Definitely summertime. I just came from the beach and I'm glowing from the beach. That's the look that I have. This foundation is looking wonderful. Let me tell you what time it is. It's 1:56. It's 1:56. That's the time that we finished. I'm gonna wear this foundation until about 10 o'clock and I'm going to get on the treadmill. I'm going to give you guys check-ins. I'm going to show you me me on the treadmill, and then I'm gonna come back and let you know what my thoughts are on how this foundation lasted. But so far it looks really, really good. So it looks smooth on the skin. It just looks glowy and pretty and natural. I love it. I love it. Let's see how it wears. I'll be doing check-ins throughout the day. Like, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. And when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload my next video. So I will see you guys in a little while at the first check-in. I hope you like this look for today. Please give me a thumbs up on what you think about this makeup, and if you have tried it before, if you tried this foundation, the concealer, you know, the highlighter, just anything, please put it in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the check-in. I really like this makeup. It looks pretty. Okay. Oh, and I didn't put lashes on. I have mascara on. I forgot to tell you about that. That is the MAC Stack, and I used it in the regular brush. What the heck did I do with it that fast? Oh, the MAC Stack. This is the regular one, and then I have the micro one. I was gonna do a bottom mascara too, but I think I like the bottom one better, like the micro brush. Let me see. I ain't really gonna be messing around my eyes too much. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do because I'm gonna get too dark under there, but I like the way this looks. All right, okay guys, I'm gonna see you in a few for the first check-in. Hi guys. Okay, it is 5:48, so it is like 3.5, almost 4 hours from the time I put this foundation on. I mean, it looks really good to me. I'm gonna go outside in the daylight in a few minutes, but it looks very glowy, but it has a natural look. It feels like nothing on my face. So far it's looking good. So yeah, I will check back in a little while, but it looks really good. So far so good. Okay guys, I'm outside. This is what my face is looking like. It's like 7:15. It still looks really good. It has a natural glow to it. The glow is really the highlighter. Like, the makeup still looks wonderful. It has a very, very skin-like finish. I love it. So far it's looking really, really good. And we had this on since 2 o'clock, so that's 5 hours and like 15 minutes. It's looking great. Okay, we're gonna see how it does, because I'm gonna try to get on the treadmill for like 30 minutes. That's the plan, but I have some work to do, so we'll see. Okay guys, see you in the next check-in or at the end of the video. I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. It is now 11 o'clock. I had this makeup on for 9 hours and it looks great. I mean, other than the fact that this foundation definitely oxidized. Like, it definitely got like, I don't know, 2 shades darker than it was. And I'm starting to think that the original color that I had was the 6N was probably my right color. But anyway, I love the way it looks. I think it has a very natural but glowy look. It's really hardly any oil. I don't know if you can see that. I'm definitely going to get a blotting paper and blot what looks like oil on my face off and see. I mean, this is the amount of oil that I blotted off, but if you look at my face, it looks just as glowy almost as it did before I took the oil off. I think this makeup looks perfect. It's still covering. It didn't break up anywhere. It looks really, really good. Like, this is definitely a winner. Definitely a winner. Definitely a very beautiful looking foundation. I don't really have anything else to say except for, if you're still watching, please subscribe to the channel. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this makeup. That is about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel, and I will see you on day 4. Anyway, like I was saying, this makeup looks beautiful. I really, really like it. I think that it looks so natural. It just looks so pretty. And for this to be 9 hours, I did not get a chance to get on the treadmill because I was doing other stuff, but I think it looks really, 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 really pretty. So I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks again for watching.